ăn thùng rồi vô mà cao ra sân
Nam giặt luôn nhưng mấy ai cho nắng vâng tạm bớt bớt luôn đây là
trời nói bong bong tôi chơi
không tắt nắng luôn ngồi đây đó tắt luôn tắt tắt nắng
We are very victim from the Thai military. We pity on our people. Yes. One, we can say that now we have very strong solidarity. Cambodian very strong solidarity. We have one leadership. We have strong military. We have a very how I can say. Our people are very charity. You can see the private company, all the charity people are sacrificed, come to our displaced people or our refugee. They do from their heart. That's why on behalf like locality, I'm very proud of our people. We help each other in the difficult situation. This is the slogan. So from this, we can say that we can struggle with the difficult situation and hope that one day the problem will solve. We need peace.
Grab đây ốp grab á
Ceasefire is very important for us. Ceasefire can stop to kill people, like you see, from our newborn to our elderly, for our civilian, can stop our military die, injury. After this, you can visit our hospital. Now, provincial hospital moved from the city to the district because right now our capital cannot function. No electricity. No people live there.
này trôi miên không ngon này miên miên
We need to implement fully ceasefire. This is very important for us. We need our international friend, our international donor or anybody to come to help us. We are smaller than Thailand. We need peace.
Bạn thu đây, bạn thu khla để dừng mò nứng chẳng dây thay dừng mò nứng tiền ana ban ana chích luôn ana ót đôi thông tực đôi ấy nó sum khăn ban đòn tực trờ năm ba con tui tui dục lớn dùng cật lệ cái lạnh cận ở dừng lố mà tận tận đời khoe cái lạnh anh con dạ
Rồi មុងភួយផ្សេងចាបានហើយលោកគ្រូបានធូចក្រិនបើមុំមានបានអុយមុនអន្តិចផងមកបាត់ដៃទៅទីរត់ដោយសារក្របខ្លងក្រមកដាក់ដៃទៅទីអត់មានអុយអន្តិចទេជាមកូនកូនចៅនោះរងាត់មានអុយញ៉ាំ
Cô nhai bán.
Tham mong